We divide 432 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. So 3 times 4 is 12. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down these 2 and it is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. On subtracting we get 0. So 432 divided by 3 is 144. So this much for today and thanks for watching.